these crab babies in. There goes one. Here goes the other. The third. The fourth and the fifth. You're not gonna believe it. The sixth. And these are part of the sixth one. They fell off. Alright, hold on. Look at this right here. You all ready? Oh my, yes. You got a little slappy mama in here. Oh yeah, look at this.
Okay.
That's good right there, yes. That's hot. Oh yeah, look at that. Get that thing in the butter. That's so good. So good, yo. Really good. Oh no. Corn. Corn is good. I might try one. 1 out of 10. What do you rate this? I haven't tried these. Dip it in the butter. Dip it in the butter. It's a life changer.